Okay, mag-walking tayo dito, guys. Siguro itong stick galing to sa mga nagha-hike
Right
din.
there. You want to try that one first?
Right there. Yeah, we go there.
Okay.
Kailangan pa palang mag-walk doon. Akala ko dito na makita na yung view. Lalakad pa pala tayo, guys. What the heck? Meron na dito. Hmm?
Plant is used for colds and headaches.
Oh, wow.
Looks nice.
Pukiawi. This is a medicinal leaves. Oh, that's interesting. Used for cold. At least hindi masyado yung lalakarin. Wow, look at that. Yeah, look like a fruits. Para siyang bayabas. What's that? Ah, it already faded. Yeah, that's different. Yeah. Dodon Biscuit. Let's go.
Amazing view, and there's a waterfall on the other side. Really?
Ah, really? That's cool. Thank you. That's cool. There's a waterfall. I can hear the waterfall. Wow, we're going on top there. Buti pala merong hiking stick. Yay! Ayan na, guys. Ito yung Grand Canyon ng Kauai. Whew. Meron dang waterfalls. Tingnan natin yung waterfalls. Did you see the waterfalls in your binocular? Wow. I didn't see the waterfalls. Maybe I look here. The other side. kind of fruits is that? Look at that. It's different. Yan guys, oh. Beautiful view. Wow, ang galing. I think pag pupunta tayo doon sa mas mataas, mas magandang view doon. I think if we go on the very top, like continue driving, we can go all the way there.
Yeah.
That's where the very top.
Yeah.
Sabi meron lang waterfall. Siguro bumaba sila doon. Wow, this is so nice. It looks like a Grand Canyon. See that, guys? Ganda. Baka nandyan sa ano baba yung waterfall. Anyway, ito talaga yung pinunta namin, yung Grand Canyon. And Waimea. Hirap i-pronounce yung mga names nila dito. Siguro yung iba nag-hike papunta sa baba. Did you see a good view there?
Yeah, that's the best spot up here. It's odd, I don't see a waterfall. Careful, Rose. Kinda close to the
Wow.
edge. Close to the edge, Rose. I don't,
Nice view, guys.
I don't hear any waterfall either, Rose. It must be in the others.
Yeah. Unless they really go.
Way down low down there. Is that waterfall down there? No, I don't think so.
Maybe they go all the way down.